Heaven, I'm in heaven.
Laska Pop. That's going to keep you busy through the new year. Oh, no,
Who needs presents when we can have bubble wrap?
Oh!
You did great.
You need a knife on?
I think I might on this part.
Oh.
Thank you.
Wow, my friends.
It's so
My
good.
friends. Oh. I think you've had experience.
No.
No?
Never.
Really? Wow. What a fun thing. No, but I like
Just
it.
like eating Rice Krispies.
Wow.
Which is the only thing he eats anymore.
Is that right?
Hey, we do have a whole big box, you know. If you want some of those guys. Oh, let's help you here. If you
Should I lay it down and slide it out?
we're back this way.
That was a loud one.